Have you ever heard about world of Forex and wondering what is this market everyone keeps calling the biggest financial market in the world? How does it actually work? And why does everyone talk about it so much? Is it really a real opportunity to build a dollar income? In this video series, we will take you from the zero to full understanding of the Forex, explaining in the simple way as possible. In this first episode of Forex in the simple language, I'm going to break down what is Forex really is, and without any complexity. So even if you know absolutely nothing about it today, by the end of this video, you will understand what is Forex is, what we trade it in, and what the whole concept is really about. So stay with me until the end. So let's start with the very simple definition of the Forex. The word of Forex comes from the two words, foreign and exchange, meaning the exchange of the foreign currencies. So Forex is basically the global market where different currencies are bought or sold. So in Forex, you always trade one currency against another currency, just like a euro against the US dollar, or GBP, which is the pound of UK, to the against of JPY, which is the yen of Japan. So let me give you a very simple example. Imagine you travel to Europe, you give the dollar and take in the euro. When you return, you go back to the exchange shop and convert your euro into the dollar again. If the euro price changed while you were traveling, you either made a profit or you lost the money. That's exactly what happened in the Forex. So the only difference is that instead of exchanging shop on the corner of the street, we use the trading platform and brokers to buy or sell the currencies as their price move up or down. So now maybe you're wondering what is exactly are we trading on the Forex? For that, we need to talk about currency pairs. So in Forex, you never trade just one currency alone. You always buy or sell one currency against another currency. This combination is called currency pair. For example, Euro USD, which means Euro versus US dollar, GBP JPY, which is British pound to the Japanese yen, and XAU USD, which is gold versus US dollar. So when we say Euro USD is going up, what does it mean? It means the euro is getting stronger against the dollar. So if you take a buy, you are expecting the euro to strengthen. So now you're understanding what is the basic idea of the Forex. Let's answer another common questions. So where is Forex? Does it have a building or headquarters? So Forex is not a physical place like a New York Stock Exchange. It's a global, decentralized market regulated by the International Institution of Finance. So what does it mean? It means trade happening through the banks, brokers, and online platform, not in the one physical location. Big bank, financial institution, hedge funders, governments, and finally retail traders, all the participating in this market. And together they shape the movement of prices. One of the most interesting things about Forex is trading hours. So Forex is open almost 20 hours a day and 5 days a week. When the Asian market closes, European open. When the European closes, the US market is open. This means almost any hours of the day, at least one major market is open and you can trade. This is both advantage and challenge, because if you don't manage your timing or emotion properly, you might end up starting at the chart for hours without break. So now let's talk about something many people wonder about, is Forex is gambling? To be honest, if you enter the Forex without knowledge, your risk management, and only for excitement, then yes, it's because exactly like a gambling. And there is no logic in risking your timing and money like that. But if you approach Forex like a business with a plan, strategy, capital management, and discipline, then it becomes your profession and a real getaway to earning in dollars. So Forex itself is not a gambling, it's your behavior that determines whether you are trading or gambling. Starting from the next episode in the Step Into the Forex playlist, we go through deeper by step and guide you along the path to becoming a professional traders. So make sure you follow the playlist and don't miss upcoming episodes. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friend, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next part. And tell us in the comment before in this video, what was your impression of Forex?